Hello everyone, I'm Felicity. Today I'm going to introduce the accessories pump track of Chinese famous brand SANY. The model of this pump track is SY5230THBF. It uses advanced hydraulic system, so it has high work efficiency and it can greatly shorten the construction time. As the desired power pump track, the power of this pump track is 229 kilowatts. And it is important that the productivity of this pump track can reach 120 cubic meters per hour. Its vertical convening distance can reach 36.5 meters, and its horizontal convening distance can reach 31.8 meters. With these excellent properties, I believe that it can meet your work needs. The drive type of this pump car is 6x4, which provides strong stability while operation. The total weight of this pump track is about 2.3 tons. The whole vehicle is about 10.3 meters long, 2.53 meters wide, and 3.58 meters high, which is very flexible. In short, this accessories pump track is really an indispensable equipment in modern construction sites, and it will undoubtedly be a good helper in your work. Don't hesitate, come and buy it.